Ma'am, welcome to our fish pavilion. Please come in. Please sit here, ma'am.
Morning. Do you have any table reservation?
Oh no, I didn't make any table reservation.
What's your table preference?
Just near the door, please.
Okay, please wait a minute. We will just prepare your table, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Prepare your table, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. This way po, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you ready to order?
Yes, ma'am.
This is our menu.
Do you have any recommendation?
Yes, we have. We have fried milk fish, roasted beef, and chicken soup.
The fried milk fish.
How many po, ma'am?
Ay, baka yun na lang din. Bale, tatlo.
Is your beef prepared? We have apple juice, calamansi juice, and pineapple juice.
The apple juice, please.
How many po?
Please.
Thank you. Here's your order, ma'am. Fried milk fish and your drinks, apple juice. Enjoy your lunch.
Coming. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
The table reservation.
Good morning, ma'am. Are you ready to order?
Yes.
This is our menu.
Ma'am, welcome to our fish pavilion.
Thank you, Ariana! Nag-chef ka na!
Okay, Mark! Kaya mo yan! Go, Mark! Mark, go! Mark! Ikaw mo na tato.